In this video, we're going to solve this question. F of x is equals to 1 divided by square root of x squared minus 4. We're asked to find its domain. Now, the domain of a function are all the possible values that function can hold without breaking any mathematical rule. In simpler form, it is just the value of x that can make that function define. Now, in this given question, we are given a fraction, and we know that for every fraction we don't want to have 0 at the denominator because it will make that function undefined. So in this question here now, we're going to set the inside of this square root to be greater than 0. So we're going to have x squared minus 4 will be greater than 0. So this way we won't have 0 inside this square root, and also we won't have a negative number inside the square root, because you know square root of a negative number is undefined. That's in real numbers when dealing with real numbers. So we're going to solve for the value of x in this inequality now. So, but first of all, let's equate it to 0 and find the critical values. So we know that x squared minus 4 can be written as x squared minus 2 squared. This should be 0. And then factoring this out, if we have difference of 2 squares, we're going to have x plus 2, x minus 2 is equals to 0. So let's set each of these to 0. Have that x plus 2 is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So here x is equals to negative 2 and here x is equals to 2. So these two numbers are our critical values. And then let's draw our number line and allow for us to get it clearly. So we have negative 2 here, we have positive 2 here, okay. Then we have negative infinity, we have positive infinity. We're going to test each of these regions. Let's know the one that satisfies this inequality. So now, to test this region, we're going to choose a number that is between negative infinity and negative 2. So let's choose negative 10. So negative 10 plus 2 is equals to negative 8, which is a negative value. And the negative 10 minus 2 is equals to negative 12, which is a negative value. Now minus times minus is going to be equals to plus. Alright, so we have that this region is positive, which is greater than 0. Then let's choose another value between negative 2 and 2. Let's choose 0. So we have 0 plus 2 is equals to 2, which is positive. 0 minus 2 is equals to minus 2, which is negative. Plus times minus is equals to minus. So we have a minus sign here. Now obviously this will be a positive sign, but let's just check it. Let's choose 10, that is the region between 2 and infinity. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12, which is positive. 10 minus 2 is equals to 8, which is positive. Now positive times positive is equals to positive. So since we are dealing with, we want this to be greater than 0, the region we're going to choose is this region that has positive signs. Alright, now the domain of this function is going to be equals to negative infinity comma negative 2, then union. Now we're going to discard this region, now 2 comma infinity. And so this is the answer to this question. This is the domain of this function. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share with your friends. Have a nice day.